Hey everyone. So FedEx just came by with 5 giant packages, which you can see outside right here. And those all contain the Musubi Cat plushies, and I cannot wait to get them inside. It's really hot, and these are probably really heavy, and I'm alone, so this will take some effort, but I'm going to take them inside and then we'll unbox them. So here are all 5 of the boxes. They're all safely inside and out of the heat. They actually weren't that heavy because they were full of plush toys. The biggest trouble was getting them all inside in the 90-degree weather. But yeah, so they're all in here now, and I'm going to open one of them and then we'll get to meet all the Musubi Cats waiting inside. Flip one of these. Trying to be very careful not to cut the plushies. I hope they're not that close to the surface. Alright. There we go. Wow. Oh my god. There's so many. Let's see. That's insane. God, I'm so happy. There are just so many of these. I love that they're all just neatly packed. Sort of like how you would see Musubi in a convenience store. But that's just adorable. Get one of these. Look at them. Oh, it needs a little shaping. Get the strap on correctly. Oh, look at him. One Musubi Cat out of the 500 that are all in these boxes. But that's just so amazing. This is my first plush, and it's just the best thing ever. And soon they're going to be shipped out to all my backers, and I hope you get to enjoy them too. Thanks for watching this boxing.